So we took a break.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm when I drop in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I'm so. Yes, I am so.
Gym time.
I'm on my.
So yesterday we put out a model call on Instagram and CHRISTALYNN reached out to us. We are good to go.
She sent us our clothing sizes, so after this we're gonna go to the store and pick up something for her to wear.
Let's go shopping.
All right, let's do it.
She's probably really cold. I'll look with her hair.
Two. I think that.
Merch link in bio. By now, we're sure you've heard about Squarespace, and for a good reason.
Not only have they been supporting our channel for a long time, we've been happy customers of theirs for years. They make it incredibly simple to get a blog, portfolio, or online store up and running in no time with their beautiful designer templates.
If you run into any problems along the way, they have terrific 24/7 customer support to help you out. And you don't have to worry about updating and installing things because it's an all-in-one platform.
To find out how easy it is to set up your own website and save 10%, head to squarespace.com/mangostreet and use the code MANGOSTREET at checkout.
No matter what you shoot, it'll look great on Squarespace. What do you want to do next?
I want to get coffee. Come on, let's go.
Hey, how are you? I'm Rachel. We're kind of fighting against the light, so we kind of have to rush.
I don't know you like before.
All right.
I can't tell what I stand tall for. I won't feel it when I fall, but you know me too well. Ooh.
Yeah.
So one more time, feel free to get like bendy, droopy. Yeah, for sure, yeah.
I am known before it all.
Just if you're comfortable, just go ahead and like kick out. Yeah, cool.
Found my shortfall. Now I reach a brand new low. You still know me. Close below.
Oh, I like that. That's cool.
And then just, yeah, hold it in there. Cool, wait. Only as far as you're comfortable. You're awesome. Would it be a good hair over the face one?
Yeah. I think the shoot went well. We're gonna call it quits here. We'll see you next time.